Welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today I present this beautiful 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. This van features a BraunAbility side entry, automatic fold-out ramp, and kneel system. This van features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and has only a little over 40,000 miles. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan conversion vehicle. Call AutoMobility Store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services.